Hello, I'm Jordan Yorith from Monroe, and today I'm going to show you a family home in Scarcroft that I could only describe to you as perfect. Welcome to Meadow House. This immaculate family home has been finished with some real top specification, including tiled floors in the kitchen, complemented by quartz worktops, breakfast bar, Neff integrated appliances, a range master cooker and wine cooler. Furthermore, there's access to a utility room and WC. Meadow House really is an awesome place to both entertain from and raise a family. Here we are in the open plan living cum dining room, which is separated by double doors and grants access out onto the lawned back garden. This optimum home features sleeping accommodation across a split level upstairs. First of all, we have the principal bedroom with fantastic fully tiled ensuite bathroom, and bedroom 2, which is currently used as a walk-in dressing room. Furthermore, there are 2 additional double bedrooms on the top level, both complemented by a fully tiled contemporary house bathroom. External benefits of this home include ample off-street parking down the private lane and outside the front of the house. There's also an electric garage roller shutter door, this fantastic south-facing terrace and a lawned private garden to the rear.